Hey everyone, today we are going to show you 20 simple ways that are actually effective for managing stress. Thanks for watching. Stress management strategy. Stress is something you have to deal with, whether you are going to university, taking a degree, or doing an open university course. You will always come across the stress. As a result, we have developed a few ways to help you deal with a potentially stressful situation. Stress is a normal part of life, but it can still be a killer when it comes to your studies and career. You might have a deadline looming or have to write a research paper on a topic that isn't your forte. You can try to push the thoughts of these problems from your mind, but it's tough to do when you have so much on your mind in the first place. Whether you're a PhD student, postdoc, or independent researcher, here are some things you can do to help manage your study stress, stress management strategy, and stay on top of your work. Check these easygoing steps to feel stress-free. Do more social activities. Exercise is good for you. Start studying earlier, finish earlier. Study in a group. Take regular breaks. Sleep early and wake up early. Take care of your health. Digestive health is important. Consider taking a class or read a book to learn time management skills. Meditation is a great stress reliever. Take care of your mental health. It is important to take a break from social media. Learn about your academic strengths and weaknesses. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you have so much information to take in and understand. There is no doubt that there will be moments when you feel like giving up. When that happens, it's time to start taking steps towards managing your stress. The following tips will help you cope with your study stress. If you are in school, university or college, studying is not something to take lightly. There is a lot of money at stake in studying and going to college or university to get good grades. You have to work hard and be on top of your game to do this. Studying is not something that comes easily to everyone. Some people are naturally good at academic learning, and some are natural-born social butterflies. That being said, if you are a student and you manage your time well, there will be times when you will feel the stress. What is stress? Study stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed with your workload. It is feeling the pressure of a deadline and not meeting it. Stress and anxiety play a significant role in studying. Stress is a massive part of university life, and it can affect how well you perform in college or university. Study stress is different for everyone due to individuals' personalities and how students handle stress. How stress affects students. Stress plays a big part in studying. It is natural to feel overwhelmed, especially if you have a heavy workload. If deadlines keep piling up and you feel like you are not on top of it all, this is stress. However, being stressed out is not always a bad thing. Stress can motivate a person to achieve and perform better. I studied right. Stress can be a good thing, but their stress levels are putting their studying in jeopardy for many students. Stress has many effects on a person. Stress leads to increased heart rate and blood pressure. Increased blood pressure can lead to heart problems. Being stressed can also lead to other health problems such as headaches, stomach aches and back pain. These problems can lead to a lack of sleep, something which is extremely important. You studied all night, and you need a good night's sleep to perform the next day. Your body and your brain need to be alert. Not to mention that being tired makes you grumpy, and throughout the day, you are likely to be less focused. How to manage your stress? The most important thing to remember when studying is to keep calm. If you are stressed out, do not panic. There are a few things you can do to calm your senses. First of all, you will need to manage your time well. Plan out your schedule and make sure that you get everything done. If you do not plan your schedule out, it will become tough to manage time. Start tackling your most important subjects first. Most people tend to delay the subjects which they find more problematic. This may not be the best strategy, as the subjects you find more challenging will most likely be the ones you are likely to find more stress in. 1. Do not procrastinate. Do all your work on the date is to be done. If you have already lost motivation and nowadays find it very difficult to do your work, put off the difficult work until the next day. Putting off your difficult work causes stress. Procrastination leads to stress. 2. Do not work during meal times. This is another one of the most important things you can do. The main reason is that eating causes a lot of stress. A lot of students have their work laptops next to their dining table. Many students eat while studying, and this is also one of the leading causes of stress. 3. Take care of yourself. We all lead busy lives, which means that we do not always have time to exercise and eat right. Many studies show that exercise can help you cope with stress. It can improve your concentration, and you can sleep better. 4. Good sleep. You already received a tip on this, but it is worth repeating. You only get 1 to 3 hours of good quality sleep every night. It would be best if you got a good night's sleep. 5. Write to-do lists. Having a list is very important when it comes to studying. Having a list makes sure that you know exactly what needs to be done. Having a good plan improves your studying. You become more calm and focused and less likely to feel overwhelmed by complex subjects. 6. Avoid distractions. It is not always easy, but try to avoid taking your phone with you. Phones, games and the internet distract you and make studying more complicated, especially if you have people around you who are constantly talking or playing their phone games. 7. Set goals. Getting stressed is easy, you just set your mind to it. However, goal setting is a vital part of managing stress. Allocate time and resources to planning your study, list what you need to do and whenever you embark on a project. 8. Break goals into steps. Once you have broken down your goals into manageable chunks, which should be no more than 4 to 5, you can tackle them one by one. Each step should only take an hour at most. 1 hour may not seem like much. However, you will have done the whole task when you complete the steps. Therefore, you will feel less stress. 9. Set a date. When you have broken down each task into steps, set a time limit for each one. A deadline will make it easier to stay on track. Making a plan to achieve your goals in small steps will motivate you to work hard on deadlines. 10. Reward yourself. When you complete each goal, reward yourself. It could be a meal out, a cinema trip, or just a new book. Having something to look forward to will make you look forward to each deadline. 11. Think positively. You are less likely to feel negative when you think positively about yourself. It is easier said than done, however, give it a go. 12. Share. Share your feelings, what you're worried about and why. Ask your friends to help and support you. By sharing your feelings, you can put them into perspective and keep yourself motivated. 13. Develop a routine. Routines will help your brain work more naturally and help you engage with the subject more. 14. Make notes. If you are planning to keep your notes by hand, make notes as you go along. That way, when you sit down and write your messages, you will have a better idea of where you are and just how long it will take. 15. Go easy on the caffeine. Having a coffee or an energy drink can hinder when you need to focus. It would help if you had the caffeine for concentration. However, too much is dangerous for your body. It is best to have a cup of coffee in the morning and another one in the evening. 16. Stay positive. Stay positive. The more you focus on the stress, the more you will feel stressed. Stay focused on your goals and imagine yourself achieving them. 17. Take breaks. When studying for long periods, it is essential to take breaks. If you are tired, take a break, get some fresh air, and return refreshed to your work. 18. Sweat it out. Constant stress often manifests as a physical sickness and may lead to anxiety and poor mental health. The good news is, there is some evidence that regular physical activity can help manage stress, reduce anxiety and improve mental health. In this blog, we have compiled a list of tips for researchers to help manage study stress and enjoy a healthy lifestyle. 19. Get involved in a healthy sport or hobby. Lifestyle changes and diet are only part of managing stress and improving your well-being. Exercise and a healthy hobby can significantly affect your psychological state and help you relax and manage the pressure that often comes with exams and exams week. 20. Join a team. Study groups are great ways of relieving stress. No more worrying about how you will do an exam. A study group will motivate you to work harder and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching.